Good day, Sir Bagin.
I am Danica Garan.
I am Mary Joy Macto.
I am Michelle Amamangka.
I'm Marjorie Lantras.
I am Evangelina.
And we are the Group 4. We are the Filipino major. Of course, we have our own MMW experience. My MMW experience in the Fibonacci sequence initially seemed complicated. However, a step-by-step approach proved effective. This taught me that breaking down large problems into smaller, manageable steps is key to solving them. Guys, I've been trying to understand the math concept, like the Fibonacci sequence and set, but I don't get it. It sounds so complicated. Don't worry, Marge, I can explain that to you. Let's start with the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is totally really simple. What's down? So, do you remember how addition works? Yeah, of course. 1 plus 1 is 2, and so on.
Exactly. So the Fibonacci sequence starts with 0 and 1. Take the first two numbers, 0 and 1, and add them together. What will you get?
Oh my god! I can't believe it's so much easier to break it down by step. I just need to stay organized and take my time. Exactly. What is that? Fibonacci sequence.
So let's move to a set. A set is just a collection of things. For example, think a set of fruits like apple, mango, banana, and orange.
Wait, so set is like a group of things or like a list? Exactly. But the great thing about a set is that the order of items doesn't matter. So the set would be the apple, orange, banana, and mango, or mango, banana, orange, and apple. It's the same set. Okay. But how do we know that some things belong in the set?
Great question. So there are the different types of set. For example, a finite set. It's a set that has a definite number of elements, like the set of fingers in your hands, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, so finite set is just a set with a fixed number of things. Yes. Now, there's also an infinite set. That's a set with an unlimited number of elements. For example, the set of all natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh wow, I didn't realize a set could be forever. So when we say set, it is a collection of things that's similar to how we recognize and approach various aspects of our lives. You can think of set as a group or related items in a mathematics. They help us organize these things here.
My MMW experience showed me that patterns are everywhere, from natural to man-made designs, help us to recognizing and understanding how predict behaviors and trends.
Hindi mo ba napapansin? Mga bulaklak ay magkakawangis, mga dahon ay magkakahugis.
Evangeline, look at this flower. They all seem to have the same shape, color, and arrangement. It looks like they have a pattern.
Exactly, Joy. The gomamela flower display a perfect example of a pattern in nature.
Ay mag-enjoy, maglaro.
So, our friendship is like a flower growing in a pattern because it follows a natural rhythm. So, MMW is important because because it equips us with the mathematical tools to understand patterns, to solve real-world problems, and make informed decisions increasingly complex and data-driven world.
Thank you for your patience and dedication, Sir Bagin.